Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the first subclassification of Astika Darshana, that is the Nyaya Darshana. In general, Nyaya means argumentation. See, Nyaya Darshana is a philosophical text compiled by Maharishi Akshapada Gautama, which was compiled from the book called Nyaya Sutras. Commentary for the text was written by Vatsayana. When atheists were trying to prove the non-existence of God through their respective logics, the people from the Nyaya Darshana tried to establish the existence of God. So, people from Nyaya Darshana had their own theories and own logics. They tried to establish the existence of God through Anumana Pramana. Anumana Pramana is nothing that is inferential knowledge. I can give a short example for understanding of Anumana Pramana. We people go to temple and pray God to solve our problems. After that, within a week or two, if a problem is solved, we may think that it is solved by God. This is inferential knowledge. This is inference, Anumana Pramana. This philosophy states that we should guess the existence of Karana on seeing the Karya. We should guess the existence of cause on seeing the effect. Here, Karana is cause, Karya is effect. This philosophy has also inferred that universe is the Karya, Ishvara, God is the Karana. This coincides with the Karya Karana Siddhanta, that is cause and effect theory. This philosophy stresses the importance of four pramanas, that is Pratyaksha Pramana, direct perception, Anumana Pramana, inference, Shabda Pramana, verbal testimony, Upamana Pramana, comparison. So these four pramanas were followed by them. Pramana is nothing, that is the process of gaining knowledge. Pramana is a big chapter which can be learnt later for a second paper. So, here we have completed Nyaya Darshana. In short, each Darshana was compiled from each text. So, each Darshana were followed by a certain group of people and the principles followed by them were correct according to them. So, in our next video, we shall see about Vaisheshika Darshana in detail. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Happy learning!